Mountains bow down, every ocean roars to the Lord of hosts. Praise Adonai, from the rising of the sun till the end of every day. Praise Adonai, all the nations of the earth, all the angels and the saints sing praise. Who is like him, Lion and the Lamb, seated on the throne? Mountains bow down, every ocean roars to the Lord of hosts. Come praise him, praise Adonai, from the rising of the sun till the end of every day. Praise Adonai, all the nations of the earth, all the angels and the saints sing praise. Give him praise.
I turned around just as it struck that light pole.
A good reporter keeps on videotaping.
I turned around, I saw that. I did not realize how close it was when I saw that blow that light out. Well, I'm going to start a new one. Oh, I didn't stop. I didn't stop.
Did you see that just now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're videotaping it.
We was videotaping it and went, whoa! I told her a good reporter.
I didn't stop.
Videotaping it. I ran.
By the way, I didn't stop recording. I just looked down and I saw that I was still recording it. Well, heart check, it's still there. That's
there was two streaks of lightning that came all the way up here and went all the way over.
It blew, it electrocuted that pole right there.
You know what I think? I think you were playing our song again. Start it all over, make a brand new tape now. Here, let me do it for you for a while. That way, if it gets me, well, you can jump in the truck this time. It'll be your turn to run. Give me the thing.
Oh, my heart! I think my heart stopped. I have to say, as much as that'll be our funniest video, right?
I'm sure you heard it. It's like, oh!
This time, when something like that happens, we have to refrain from screaming really loud.
Oh, it started at the beginning. How do I do it? Just right back.